FragWatch here, and there, and everywhere. Today we're going to be unboxing the FinalMouse ULX competition. It's a new take on their ULX and carbon fiber. The box has foam right there on the inside. Decently plain box. Not opposed to that. I don't mind it. Oh, the whole foam comes out. Okay. All right. So got. It's very smooth to the touch, almost like a warm feeling. It feels warmer to the touch than my mouse, and it's been in the same room. It's bizarre. Okay. Oh, listen to the sound difference on that. Mouse 4. Mouse 5. What? Okay, back to the unboxing. Oh, man, that's a weird... Okay. That's interesting. Okay. So ULX, I can tell you guys right now if you don't like the ULX shape. This is another ULX mouse that you're not going to like. Okay. Okay. That comes with a fairly stiff cord, just plain Jane. And an instruction manual. Well, I hope the mouse is really good, because for $180 or whatever, it's not a lot. What in the fuck? There is goddamn hair. Oh, can we get that on camera? There is thick fucking black. Oh, gross. There's fucking hair on my mouse gate, stuck into the mouse gate. What the like underneath it, and oh, like fucking what? Can we get this on the camera? Oh my god, can I get that? Oh man, it's not gonna do it. You know what is gonna do it? I'm gonna use my fucking magnifying glass. See if we can get a close up of this gross ass hair. What the hell? Oh, you see that? It's like, there we go. Oh my god, that's so fucking... It's like, it's stuck, like... These are like stuck under the fucking mouth. Like, what is going... What the fuck... What the fuck quality control is this for a $180 fucking... What the fuck? Jeez. What? Oh, it's fucking greased. God damn it. Oh, it's all greasy, man. Oh, fuck. ULX competition. What the fuck? Gee, I don't even want to touch my fucking mouse now. Stop this video. That's good. Cool unboxing. Holy shit.